Hey guys, what's going on? Yo, check this out. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty pumped right now. I just got myself a new Razer Deathadder 2013 edition. It's the brand new one. I bought my original Deathadder like way back in 2006 or something, and it served me very well all over the years. Like, I even borrowed it to my friend for a couple of years when I was traveling Asia and Australia, and it was still working flawlessly until the very end of 2012 when I was visiting my mom's place, and my mom's cat just ate the wire and it was busted. So it was just the best mouse I ever had, and so the new Deathadder, it was like an obvious choice to get. So let's get to it. And this looks good. Nice. Congratulations. There's no turning back. Alright, so pretty basic stuff. Got some nice stickers. Not sure what I'm gonna do with those. And the mouse, yeah. It looks pretty much the same as the original one. I like this rubber on the side. Gives you a better feeling. The cord it's different. It used to be just plastic, now it's like fiber or something. It feels pretty good. I think it's lighter as well. Now the surface, I think it's got better grip on it, and the wheel is different. Yeah. Alright, I'll just get my hands on this baby and I'll follow up with you. See how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.